Good evening, students. This is CR Sir, Mathematics. Now, today I am going to discuss that mains 4th September 2020 Shift 1 questions. Still yet not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Whenever I will upload video, you will get first notification. Now I am going to start the first question. Let f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y plus x square y plus xy square, and limit x tends to 0, f of x divided by x is equal to 1. Find f dash 3. So here, observe this. I think this is not easy problem. How to do this? Now, limit x tends to 0, f of x minus 0 divided by x minus 0. I think this is f dash of 0 or not? Now we got f dash of 0 is equal to 1. Next, what is the given condition? F of x plus y, that is equal to f of x plus f of y plus x square y plus xy square. So here, do that partial differentiation with respect to x. So that means here, whenever we are doing partial differentiating with respect to x, so y is constant. So derivative of constant, you know very well, that is 0. Now, apply here derivative of f of x plus y, f dash of x plus y. Internal derivative, derivative of x is 1, derivative of y is 0, 1 plus 0, that is 1. That is equal to f dash of x derivative, f of x derivative, f of x derivative, f dash of x. Next term, see that f of y derivative is 0 because y is constant here. Now, x square y is there. X square y, x square derivative is 2x into y. Next, x derivative is 1, that is y square. Now here, they are asking f dash of 3. So how to find? Take here, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. Then we get the answer easily. So f dash of 0 plus 3, that is equal to f dash of 0 plus 2 into 0 into 3, that is also 0, plus y means 3, that is 3 square. Now finally observe that we got answer f dash of 3, that is equal to f dash of 0 means that is 1. 1 plus 9, that is 10. So this is a very easy question. So whenever we are doing partial differentiation with respect to x, y is constant. Remember it. Next, I am going to another question in differentiation. So I think this is also easy, but calculation. How to do that? Here they are asking dx by dy at pi by 4 comma pi by 4. First do the dy by dx, then write the reverse. We get the answer. Now I am going to do that. Differentiate on both sides. Here product of two terms are there. Apply that UV rule. So a plus root 2 into b cos x. This is a constant. Now do the differentiation. 0 minus root 2 into b, derivative of cos y minus sin y. So minus into minus plus into y derivative, y dash, plus. Now here a minus root 2 into b cos y. This is the constant. Now derivative of a plus root 2b cos x. What we get? That is 0 minus root 2b into sin x, because derivative of cos x is minus sin x. That is equal to right hand side totally constant. It's going to 0. Now derivative of dy by dx at pi by 4 comma pi by 4 they are asking. Substitute now. A plus root 2b cos pi by 4 1 by root 2 into root 2b sin pi by 4, that is also 1 by root 2 into y dash plus a minus root 2b cos pi by 4 1 by root 2 into minus root 2 into b sin pi by 4 1 by root 2, that is equal to 0. Here root 2 cancel, here also cancel, here also cancel. Remaining what is there? A plus b into b y dash. Here minus a minus b, only b is there, is equal to 0. Now these terms send the right hand side, and what we get finally, y dash is equal to a minus b by a plus b. Y dash means that is derivative of x dy by dx. Okay, but they are asking dx by dy. Dx by dy is equal to, what is the answer? A plus b divided by a minus b. So here this is also easy question, but they are given dx by dy. So that's why students will be confused. First find dy by dx, then write the reverse. You'll get dx by dy. Now see this sequences and series related problem. Here observe carefully. What are the terms? Which terms we want to calculate first? Here 1, observe here 2, 4, 6 and so on up to 20. There are 20 brackets. Each bracket 1 is there or not? Already 1 extra is there. Totally 11 minus. So each and every term having the minus. Okay. So now take minus common. 1 into 2 square plus 3 into 4 square plus 5 into 6 square plus and so on. Finally 19 into 20 square. So this is, I am going to write in sigma form. Observe here sigma 1, 3, 5. These are the odd numbers. Odd number how to write? 2r minus 1. 2, 4, 6 and so on up to 20. Those are even numbers. 2n whole square. Now total how many terms are there? We know that 10. So here write that r. 1 second. 2r whole square. What is the limit? R is equal to 1 to 10. Now 11 minus sigma r is equal to 1 to 10. Multiply here. 2r whole square means that is 4r square into 2r. Totally 8r cube minus 4r square into 1, that is 4r square. Now I am going to expand the sigma. 11 minus, here 8 is constant, take outside, sigma r cube. R is equal to 1 to 10. That means there are 10 terms. How to write sigma r cube formula? R into r plus 1 by 2 whole square or not? So in place of r substitute 10. 10 into 11 by 2 whole square. Minus into minus plus 4 into r square, sigma r square, sigma n square formula already we know that. 10, 11, 21 divided by 6. Now observe the calculation here. 3 2s are 3 7s are. Okay. Now 2 2s are. Next, denominator 2 is 2 square 4. 4 2s are 8. Now this is 11 minus 11 square 121. 121 into 2, 242 into 10 square. It is 242, 200. 24200 plus here 20 into 77 or 77 twos are how much? 77 into 2. 2 sevens are 14, 14, 50, 154. 1540. Now calculate this. Overall, you will get 11 minus. See the question here, 220 beta given. So that means after calculation, whatever we are getting value, that is 220 into 103. Therefore, by comparing both alpha comma beta values, alpha is 11, beta is 103. This is sequences and series relation problem. So in the every test, they are giving two questions in sequences and series. Okay, now I am going to next question. See the fourth question, what they are given. What they are given. This is probability related problem. Very easy question. Now, what they are asking, probability of A is 55% and the probability of B is 76%. Then find who read both newspapers. That means use the formula P of A union B. What is the formula? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So here we need to find P of A intersection B. That means P of A union B is 100%. Take 100. P of A 55. P of B 76 minus P of A intersection B. Now therefore, by observing the calculation, P of A intersection B is equal to, we are getting 31%. This is answer. This is a very easy question, never given in mains, this type of question in probability particularly. Okay, next I'm going to another question. This is a matrices related problem. See the question carefully. So in previous paper also, this type of questions they are given. Now A matrix given and A square given. Compare both the matrices, then we will get the answer easily. Now, what is A matrix here? Cos theta, I sin theta, I sin theta, cos theta. But we need to find A square. So A into A. Now write here, cos theta, I sin theta, I sin theta, cos theta into same matrix once again we have to write now. Cos theta, I sin theta, I sin theta, cos theta. Now do the product, do the multiplication of two complex numbers. We get first row, second column. We get cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now first row, second column, we get this is I sin theta cos theta plus I sin theta cos theta. Now I'm going to second row, first column. This is also same like that. I sin theta cos theta plus I sin theta cos theta. Next, for second row, third column, that is we get minus sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now here observe that Cos squared theta minus sin squared theta. What is the formula? Cos 2 theta or not? Now here we get cos 2 theta, and last term also we get cos 2 theta, and here I sin theta cos theta, I sin theta cos theta, I into 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta formula, sin 2 theta or not? Now this is also I sin 2 theta. So this is a square matrix, but already given, what is that? That is, see that a square matrix, what they are going to A, D, B, C. Right here, this is A, D, B, C. Now compare that, observe the options. I am going to observe that first option, A square minus B square. A square means cos square 2 theta minus B means I sin 2 theta. I square sin square 2 theta means I square value is minus. So we get sin square 2 theta, that is 1. So it is satisfied or not? A square minus B square is equal to 1. So first option is correct. So this is also easy question. Okay, next. I'm going to next question. So this is a, I think, very easy question, but calculation. See carefully how to do this. Expand the sigma. In place of our substitute 0 to 20. If you are substituted 0, what we get? 50 C6, 49 C6, 48 C6, and so on. Go to that. I am going to substitute 19. So what we get? 31 C6. If you are substituted 20, we get 30 C6. Okay. Now how to do this? By observing the options. By observing the options. Now I am going to do that. Add 30C7, subtract minus 30C7. Okay. By observing these two values, we know the formula, that is NCR minus 1 plus NCR, that is equal to N plus 1 CR. Formula is there or not? Now apply this formula. So one by one we have tried. If you are written this two, we get 31 C7. Again, these two we are observing means we get 32 C7, like that. So finally what we get means final term. This is 50 C6. After doing the calculation, one by one terms are going to remove. So here we get 50 C7 and minus 30 C7 also. Okay, 50 C6 plus 50 C7, how much that is? That is 51 C6 minus 30 C7. So this is C6 or C7? I think I am written mistake. This is C7. So finally we got the answer 51 C7 minus 30 C7. So second option is correct. Students, all of you understood now? Please, most important thing, please subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. I will upload second video after 1 hour. Thank you.